Well, Lyme disease cases are up drastically in Pennsylvania, which now leads the country with the highest number of cases. A new Lyme patient is one of our own.
Yeah, health reporter Stephanie Stahl is now here with more.
That's right, guys. We all talked about it today. Eyewitness News anchor Jim Donovan is being treated for Lyme disease. He's part of a growing trend. Doctors say there's been a big increase in the number of people with the infection, especially around the Philadelphia area.
This was like getting hit by a bus.
CBS 3 anchor Jim Donovan describing symptoms of Lyme disease.
It was 3 days of spiking fevers, chills, followed by waking up in cold sweats. I mean, it was really bad.
And once he saw this on his thigh, he knew.
Early Lyme disease, just the bullseye rash can be really, really disabling. You're very sick initially, but 99% of people are cured.
Jim says he's already feeling better after a couple of days on antibiotics. He's among a growing number of people in the Philadelphia region being treated for Lyme disease that's caused by certain ticks.
And I was wearing shorts. That was the only time I was not covered in that yard. And the next day, I noticed a little pimple on my leg.
The pimple turned into a big bullseye rash, a classic symptom. Pennsylvania leads the country in the number of Lyme disease cases.
This is a Jersey tick. In my suburban New Jersey lawn in the front of the house yard, and that's where this happened.
Doctors say ticks that carry Lyme are more prevalent in wooded areas, but can be anywhere. And while most people recover, Lyme that's not caught early can cause serious long-term issues. That's what happened to Brian Doherty, a nurse in Philadelphia who had palpitations, neurological issues, and Bell's palsy, partial facial paralysis, all from Lyme. Jim says he feels lucky.
It really affects a lot of people, and you could look at them and they look fine, but they may have chronic symptoms and issues.
Now, doctors say prevention is especially important now at the peak of the Lyme disease season. In addition to long sleeves and pants, they say you should also use insect repellents that contain DEET. Doctors say they hope to see more patients like Jim who get treated early. That is the key to surviving well with this.
I've always heard about the DEET. That's so important.
DEET is really important in the insecticide.
And that treatment works so quickly. I mean, he's back to his old self.
Right.
Well, Jim's back.